Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Akhlabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 8th class maths. We learned the different chapters such as the real numbers and linear equations, right? Fine. On the same lines, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is exponents and pairs. Okay? We already discussed that whatever we study in our 8th class, each and every chapter will have a special flavor of maths and which are actual basics of your future mathematics. Is it right? Which means whatever the chapter which we study, it will have different concepts. We will never have a continuous concept from one chapter to another. Okay? What did we learn? We learned the real numbers, in which we learned how to simplify, okay, addition, subtraction, board mass and all kind of things. Okay? And we have learned different properties to simplify. Okay, which are actually the simple methods to simplify a very big expression. Then after that we learned what is a linear equation in one variable. We did most of the word problems also in that, how to analyze the situation, how to write a situation in terms of an expression. Okay, we learned how to solve it, we learned how to find the variable in the equation. Is it clear? In this chapter we are going to learn the simplification between two or more variables with powers. Okay, is it right? Fine. You people already know that if I write it as a square, then here a is called as variable and 2 is called as power. Is it right? Till here you people know very well. Then what if this power is negative? Tell me. And one more thing, if I want to multiply 2 into 2, yes, I can multiply. What if I have 2 square into 2 cube? Tell me. Again I have to find this and find this. Okay. In order to simplify this kind of expression, we will learn this chapter, that is exponents and pairs. Is it clear? Do you understand? Fine. In order to learn this, we have to know the basic laws of identities. What are the different laws? See here. If a is some variable, then a power m into a power n is always a power m plus n. This is popularly called as bases are equal, power should be added. Okay, here base a is equal, therefore the power is added as m plus n. Okay. Similarly, if they are divided, a power m by a power n, then obviously this will become a power m minus n. Okay, we will learn this. Wait, see here, a power m whole power n, this is similar to 2 power 3 whole power 2. This will become a power mn, that is I have to multiply m into n, that will become 2 power 6. Okay, if you see here 2 cube is 8. 8 square is 64. Let's check whether we are getting 2 power 6. The same thing. How much is it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, 32 and 64. Are we getting the same? Yes, that's what a power m whole power n is, a power m n. Done. And the next, a power m into b power n. Here power is, this is same, a power m into b power m. Here power is same, therefore these two bases will get multiplied. This will become ab whole power m. Okay, that is if I have 2 cube into 3 cube, I can write it as 2 into 3 whole cube, that is 6 cube. Okay, if you multiply these both and check, you will get the same answer. Okay, fine. And the next, this is the most important thing, 1 power 0 is always equal to 1. However, you people know this popularly, something power 0, even if it is 1 lakh power some thousands, is also equal to 1. That is, some 1 lakh 1000 power 0 is also 1. Is it fine? Similarly, a power m by b power n, that is power is same, therefore we can write it as a by b whole power m. Is it clear? These are all different laws of exponents. Fine. And one most important thing, we know that a power minus 1, this is popularly called as a inverse, which is multiplicative inverse. Okay, that is a power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. On the same lines, a power minus m can be written as 1 by a power m. Is it okay? Is it fine? Did you understand? These are all different exponents and powers formula. Okay, you have to be thorough with this formula, then only we can start doing problems. Okay, shall we start the problems? Let's do. Look at the questions here. Here, whatever he give, it will be completely simplify, simplify, simplify. Simplify means, what do you mean? Simplify bole to kya? That is, we have to write this in the simple form. Okay, is it clear? Fine. Now see here, 4 power minus 3. That can be written as, this is in the form of a power minus m, that will be 1 by a power m. Okay, either m kya hai idhar? 3. That will be 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 power 3, that is 1 by 64. This is the answer. Is it fine? And the next minus 2 power 7. This can be written as minus ka power 7 and 2 ka power 7. What is minus power 7? Minus power odd number. Tell me. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, plus, minus, plus and minus. Power 7, I will always get it as minus. Remember, minus ka even power hai to that will become plus, minus ka odd power hai to that will become minus 2 power 7. What is 2 power 7? Tell me. 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128. Is it clear? Is it not easy to solve? Yes, right? See here. Minus 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. Again this is in the form of, yes, that is a power minus m, that is nothing but reciprocal of this. This will become minus 4 by 3 power 3. Just remember, whenever you see minus in the numerator, just reciprocal this and make it as plus. Okay. Now what is the formula here? A by b whole power m, that is a by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. Is it right? Let us do that. That will be minus 4 power 3 by 3 power 3. Minus ka power 3 is minus 4 cube is 64, 3 cube is 27. Is it clear? Is it not easy to solve? The only thing is minus ka cube will be always a negative number. Done. After this, we have to simplify. If you want to divide, it's okay. If not, here 64, 27, they are not dividing. You can leave it. Is it clear? Did you understand? What are the formulas we used here? We used the popular formula, that is a power minus m is 1 by a power m. And the next a by b whole power m is a power m by b power m. Is it okay? Is it clear? Fine. Look at this next question. He is telling to simplify these two questions. This is 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 2 power 6. What is it? If bases are equal, powers can be added. That is 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is 1 by 2 power 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. That's it. Or else if you want to simplify, you can write it as 1 by 2 power 15. Why not 1 power 15? 1 power 15 kaise bhi, it will be 1 only. If you want to write this 2 power 15 also, you can write if we after solving it. Okay? Very nice. See here. What about this question? 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6. What to do? What will this 5 power minus 4 become? That is 1 by 5 power 4. Okay? What is 5 power minus 6? 1 by 5 power 6. Okay? Now, this is denominator ka denominator. Let us take it to the numerator. That will be 5 power 6 divided by 5 power 4 into 5 cube. Is it okay? This is 5 power 4. Now tell me, this is in the form of a power m by a power n. What is the formula of that? That is a power m minus n into 5 cube. What is 6 minus 4? 2 into 5 cube. Here bases are equal, powers can be added, that is 5 power 5. Is it clear? Is it not easy to solve? Again, what is that we have to remember? What all formulas we used in this sum? A power minus m is 1 by a power m, then a power m by n is a power m minus n, and the next a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Is it right? Is it easy to understand? Look at this next question here, that is, he is asking us to simplify again this question. Now, what are the different formulas we have to use here? That is, 4 power minus 1 is 1 by 4, 3 power minus 1 is 1 by 3 into 6 power this is division, right? 6 power minus 1 is 1 by 6. Okay? Now tell me, 1 by 4 3s are 12. Fine. If it is in the denominator, this is 1 by 6. If it comes to numerator, that will become into 6. Okay, this will be 6 1s are 6 2s are, answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now see here, this is one more question. What is this? 4 power 0. What is the formula? That is, a power 0 is always equal to 1. Therefore, 4 power 0 is 1. 5 power minus 1. Again, there is a formula of a power minus m, that is 1 by a power m. This is 1 by 5. Okay. Let me put this 5 square as it is into 1 by 3. Now tell me here, LCM is 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Is it right? 3 ones are 3 2s are 2 into 5 power m by 5 power 1, that is a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Is it fine? That will be 5 power 2 minus 1, that is 2 into 5 power 1, that is 10. Is it clear? Did you understand? We have used almost all formulas in these problems. Okay. Shall we do next problem? Let's do. See here, the question given here is, again he is asking us to simplify this. How do we do? We all have different points here. What are these? Here it is directly 1, 2 power minus 1. What is it? That is 1 by 2. 3 power minus 1 is 1 by 3. 4 power 0 is 1. Is it okay? Now add these both. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Again in 2 table, when do we get 6? That is 3. In 3 table, when do we get 6? That is 2. 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 17 by 6. Is it okay? Is it clear? You understand? See this question? Here it is 3 power minus 2 minus 2 power minus 2 is given. This can be written as 1 by 3 power 2. Okay, for this 1 by 2 power 2 divided by 1 by 5, I have to square it. Is it fine? See here, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4 into, if I remove this division, I will write it as into 5. Yes, right? After division, if I have a reciprocal thing, I mean some kind of fraction, I have to write it as into and reciprocal it. Okay, that is, here 9 4s are 36. 4 minus 9 into 5 whole square, that is, what is 4 minus 9? Minus 5 divided by 36 into 5. Okay, what is this? 5 5s are, or we can write it as 5 square. Here I can write it as 6 square. However, minus ka square will be plus. Can I write it as 5 power 4 by 6 power 4 or simply 5 by 6 whole power 4? Can I write like this? Yes, right. What all did we learn here? We use different formula. This is a power minus m, this is a power minus n. Okay. And after that, here the one more rule. we have to remove this division. I have to put this into and reciprocal it. Okay, negative ka square is plus. Fine, and I have did LCM here. A power m by b power m is nothing but a by b whole power m. Is it clear? Did you understand? These are all different formulas and the different problems which we solved here. Is it clear? What all we learned? We learned with the basic what is an exponents and pairs. Then we learned the different laws of exponents. Okay. Then we learned how to simplify a given expression. Is it clear? Is it okay? Fine. In the next session, we will learn if any one of the power or any one of the base is missing. Okay, they will give some like m or a or something like that, and they will ask you to find and to simplify it more. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of exponents and pairs. Thank you.